following contest is a Falls Count Anywhere match and is for the ECW World Heavyweight Championship. Quiet on the set. Can we please have quiet on the set?
What the? Go ahead, Corey. Tell us all about The Miz.
Oh, man. Still not officially underway. Well, official or unofficial. Clothesline. Well, that'll leave a mark. Connects with the title. And let me tell you, that thing is heavy. Clothesline! Well, that'll leave a mark. The Miz looking a little stunned here.
He's going to have to find a way to fend off the champ here.
And he's been gambling quite a bit here tonight. There's plenty of reward that goes along with being outside the ring as much as he has been, but there's a ton of potential risk.
This is all part of the process, guys. He knew he would take on some offense here tonight. He just has to make sure he keeps it to a minimum. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, what a slam that hurt!
Float over. Into it.
Here comes The Rock.
Jeez.
He's looking at it. Spine buster.
Here's his chance to win this. The Rock gets inside his opponent's heads better than anybody in the business.
Back in the ring now.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Connects with the championship.
Oh man, that one landed square too.
Connects with the championship.
Oh man, that one landed square too.
Connects with the championship.
Oh man, that one landed square too.
Up against the barrier now.
I think that barrier might be the only thing holding him up.
I think you're right.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Here comes The Rock. And it's The Rock with the reversal. Ooh, earth-shattering spine buster. The Miz getting outclassed here tonight, guys.
This is The Rock's chance.
Can he pull it off? Rock bottom, The Rock bottom. The Miz getting outclassed here tonight.
Here's The Rock into a quick cover. 2, 3. And The Rock picks up the win.
What The Rock?
Let's look back on the action from the last match.
This match wasn't exactly a barn burner, but we can't expect every superstar to be on their A game every time, I guess. These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well.
Here is your winner, and still the ECW World Heavyweight Champion, The
huge pinfall win here tonight.
Hey, this isn't just about going out there and making sure everybody's entertained. You've got to win your matches, and that's exactly what happened here. A will to win was on display.
And as we expected, WWE Extreme Rules has been a brutal evening.